90% of our obstacles are created by us. They're not real. They're fantasy. Hello, my friend! What can I do to achieve what I want? What can I do to accomplish this goal? Today we start a new law, the law of intention and desire. The attention energizes, the intention transforms. Everything we put our attention becomes stronger in our lives. Everything that we take out the attention shrinkles and disappears. If there is someone or something you want to leave behind, just stop giving attention to this thing. If there is something you want to conquer, you want to receive, focus your attention in it. We can use the conscious intention to command the powers of nature, to make our dreams and desires come true. The only thing, we need to respect the laws of nature. The conscience of the present moment is powerful because the future is created by our present actions. We cannot do anything in the past or in the future because they are fruit of our imagination. Only the present, which is the conscience, is real and eternal. If we practice this present attention, we realize that 90% of our problems are imaginary. 90% of our obstacles are created by us. They're not real. They're fantasy. When you are focused in the present with the attention in whatever you want, you have the power and the energy to overcome these 10% of obstacles that remain, the real ones. Come and hear something you want to have. Maybe there is someone from our community that already has it and can give it to you. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. The unknown is the field of all possibilities, always new, always open to the creation of new manifestations.